You are getting very, very close to receiving the proceeds of the sale of your home. Let's know all regarding the final walkthrough and closing details. I am so excited because you are about to accomplish your real estate goal. The buyers will perform their final walkthrough to confirm that the repairs that you agreed with are indeed finalized, or simply to check that the property is in the same conditions when we got into contract. Should the repairs be not completed or your home got vandalized, you and the buyers will have the opportunity to extend the clause of escrow to take care of all the pending items. In the meantime, you will receive from the title company a copy of your closing packet to be reviewed at least 24 hours prior your signing appointment. The latter one could be done electronically or at the title company or at any other location that you deem convenient. The buyers and their financing company will wire the funds to the title company account, and once that the property is recorded at Clark County office, you will receive the proceeds of your sale 1 or 2 business days later. Congratulations! You no longer have responsibility for your property. However, make sure to call your home insurance and also the utilities companies to inform them about the sale of the property. Please note that my job does not finish here. I am your resource of information, and please feel free to call, text at any time. I treat my clients as my family. Therefore, I will visit you on special occasions and invite you and your family to events that I organize to honor my dear clientele and friends. I look forward to serving you, your family, your friends with the same care and devotion I did with you. We will be in touch.